Bollywood Now brings you Gaurav and Sakshi exclusively on Bollywood Now. Welcome to Bollywood Now, and how are you guys feeling?
It feels really good to be part of this function as well as the industry, I would say. So it's like this is something a different party what we are here for. Usually हम लोग क्या होते हैं ना कि जिनकी वाइफ और गर्लफ्रेंड्स और कपल्स होते हैं तो वो सब इधर उधर 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 पानी की तरह बह जाते हैं. तो इस बार तो बॉस कोई चाह रहा ही नहीं है, साथ में ही रहना है. अगर इफ आई हैव टू गेट माय ड्रिंक आल्सो सो आई हैव टू गेट टेक हर अलोंग. सो
Okay,
it's fun.
right, since the calendar says love stories 2014, so when did your love story started and how?
Our love story started. See, we got engaged. Like रोका हमारा हुआ था 21st of December last year, but the love story took around 2 months.
That's it.
Yeah. No, 2 months. It took us 2 months to start the story. 2 months. It was like because I was shooting continuously here. I was traveling. I was going. I had gone for the. I had gone abroad for my show shoot. So, वो थोड़ा सा communication gap हुआ. But we really tried. हाँ, we. I would say she managed. मतलब होता है ना कि मैं अगर 15 बार फ़ोन नहीं उठा पा रहा हूँ तो आप 16th टाइम कॉल नहीं करोगे. आप एक बार कॉल करो, मैं नहीं उठा पा रहा हूँ तो शी यूज्ड टू जस्ट सेंड अ मैसेज, बेबी आई एम वेटिंग, कॉल मी व्हेनेवर यू गेट डन फ्रॉम योर शॉट और व्हेनेवर यू गेट फ्री फ्रॉम योर वर्क. सो इट फील्स गुड. कभी कभी होता था कि एक मैसेज के रिप्लाई से वी यूज्ड टू बी इन टच. सो इट वाज नाइस. इट टुक अस अराउंड ऑन 14th Feb ओनली. हाउ कैन आई फॉरगेट. 14th Feb ही था वो. 21st. हाँ हाँ एग्जैक्टली. Then on her birthday, I had done some arrangements for her. I was traveling from Bombay to Indore. So बहुत मेहनत लगी थी 2 महीने में भी बॉस. वो 2 महीने के बाद
Finally,
कुछ.
Sakshi is yours.
Yeah, finally she is officially mine.
Yours. Okay, Sakshi, is Gaurav really romantic in the life? I mean, in real life?
Yes,
That's a
he's
nice
very
question.
romantic, very romantic. You'll see what he has done on my birthday. You'll get to know how romantic he is. Very,
I have a
very
picture.
romantic.
Is she romantic? I mean, in your real life?
She's a little shy. Romantic वो रोमांस आता है बट वो थोड़ा शर्माते शर्माते हुए आता है. she'll do things. She'll do few very touchy stuff for me. But along with that वो होता है ना कि मुझे पता है कि ऐसी ने किया है. So like I'll give you an example. I love candles, the atmosphere in my house. I have in my Bombay house and as well as in my Indore house. So she knows that I love candles. When I come home, I have a.
Candles.
She, my house is in a different zone. Like the aromas are lit up and the corner में छोटे flowers जो शायद 10 दिन पहले किसी ने 5 दिन पहले किसी ने कुछ ओकेजन का भेजा होगा तो she'll take out a flower petals and decorate a normal dinner or maybe a glass of water. So it's like थोड़ी शर्माती है but yes, she is actually very romantic.
Oh, that's so sweet. Okay, Valentine's is next month, so any special plans for each other?
Yes, we have planned. You all know that we've just got married. Abhi, according to like all my dates are blocked with the show. We have taken out 5 days out of that, so we are planning to go somewhere out. We have still not planned. Our passports are ready. The visa is still to be done. We have a honeymoon plan for Greece and other places. So we'll keep you guys updated.
Okay, Sakshi, you're not saying anything. I mean, you're really shy. I mean, he's right. I mean,
No, nothing like that.
Exactly.
Nothing like that.
I'm true.
No, nothing like that. Nothing like that.
Say something about me.
that's
Say,
a tough one now.
say it's not a tough one. I mean,
He's
say,
a wonderful man. He's a very good actor. He's a very, very good actor. And I love him.
or they want something more.
And I love him
Don't
the
you guys
most.
want something more?
Exactly,
Yeah.
the viewers want to know. Yes.
Yeah.
Gaurav, he's a very different man. Very different. He stays here in Bombay. Still, he always stays in touch with his parents. That is the best thing about him.
That's blessings, I would say. That's blessings. That's blessings.
And he makes sure if I go for gymming or something, he makes sure there's something prepared for me at home. He asks the cook that कि ऐसा बना दो. And when I get home, I have
यार,
something
I have
new
to make it.
have.
यार, मैं घर पे आ रहा हूँ after working for like 15-16 hours. If I get a good grilled stuff for me or something like it, so इतना तो कर ही सकता हूँ ना.
Well,
कि एक
guys,
fruit
Gaurav
salad, कि एक
and-
fruit salad ready हो at least.
Right. Well, Gaurav and Sakshi are actually revealing the love secrets of each other exclusively on Bollywood now. So watch out.
Exactly, guys. So cheers. Take care.
Okay. Lastly, one message to all the lovebirds.
All the lovebirds, keep flying high. Take care and be aware of shooters. Be aware of shooters here, and just keep flying and I'll take care of you all in summers to provide you waters and everything. So just the birds, we are in the same league now. So let's fly together. Take care.
Well, this was Gaurav Bajaj with his newlywed Sakshi in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now. And keep watching Bollywood Now for all the latest updates on television and Bollywood.
Hi, myself Gaurav S. Bajaj and my wife Sakshi Bajaj. Please keep watching Bollywood Now.